When we travel off the beaten path, things can go wrong. You can get a punctured tire, or your vehicle may get stuck, or your vehicle battery may die. So here's my list of 6 things you must carry with you. You can carry more than 6, but those 6, I believe, is what everyone must have in their vehicles. It is nice to have a winch installed on your truck, but if you need to save on weight, which is our case, and winch is expensive, plus you need to get a different bumper, then you must have these. It's called recovery boards or traction mats. When you travel away from civilization and you got a punctured tire, you must be able to change your tire, be it on your truck or on your trailer. In our case, both truck and trailer to come with a spare tire. So first you need a set of impact sockets like this, matching your truck or trailer wheels, and then you need a breaker bar to break these nuts loose. Then in order to change the tire, you need to lift the truck or lift the trailer. And most vehicles, they come with a little jack. It's not the best, will take you time to work with it, but what about the trailer? Especially given its weight, like the GVWR of this trailer is 9,300 pounds. So what do we do? For that, here I am. I have a little hydraulic bottle jack. So this one is rated for 12 tons, so I can deal with both the truck and the trailer. And lastly, once you're done with the change, you need to tighten the nuts. So for that, you need a torque wrench. Some people use impact wrench, but for example, with this trailer, it says specifically not to use impact wrench, but to use the manual one, like this. Okay, it's more precise. So that's called torque wrench. You just put one of those sockets on it, just similar to the breaker bar. You adjust the strengths, like the strengths for these wheels and for the trailer wheels is different. So you adjust the strengths and you tighten the nuts. And in case your battery dies, please carry a jump starter with you. There are some cheap brands, expensive brands. The one I have, I consider it's a good balance between quality and price. The only thing to remember is that each one of these devices, they have a different what's called cranking power ratings, and that depends on the engine for your vehicle. So for like small vehicles, 500 amps could be good enough. We have V6 with turbo engine, so it is recommended for our truck. It's recommended to have a jump starter with a rating of 2000 amps, and that's the one we have here. I hope you find these tips helpful. In less than a month, we're heading out for a 2-year full-time adventure across Canada, so make sure you subscribe to experience this journey with us, and I would appreciate your likes to help us with YouTube. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.